friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of Vattappam. Vattappam is a dish which is very common in Kerala. It is made of rice, and formerly in olden days we used to make Vattappam with toddy that we get from the coconut. And nowadays it's not easy to get toddy. I don't know, in Kerala it might be available, but here it is difficult to get toddy. So most of the people, they use yeast instead of toddy, or we can use coconut water. As I showed you while making appam, I used coconut water, which I would put little sugar and keep it for 6 to 7 hours, and it would get fermented, and I make appam with that. The recipe for Vattappam is also same as that of appam. But today I am making Vattappam with tender coconut water. Now this tender coconut water, I put little sugar and kept it for 7 hours. And that time only I had soaked the rice in water. Now I will show you all. I have soaked 1 kg rice 7 hours ago, and this is tender coconut water. It's full of water, and I had put sugar into it 7 hours before. And now when I will be grinding, I will be using this tender coconut water for grinding. And I have taken 1 cup of cooked rice. This is the red rice which I cook in my house. I am using this, so the color of the Vattappam will not be that white because of the slightly pink color of the rice. I will show you all how I will grind. So while grinding the rice, see, I have grated 1 coconut. So I will be grinding with rice, coconut, little of cooked rice, sugar and a pinch of salt. Now this tender coconut water, I will pour it into this. I will be grinding the rice with this tender coconut water. Now I'll take little rice. I'll add little by little. I will add little tender coconut water. I will put little sugar. Sugar you all can add as how much sweetness you all want. And then we will add little of the cooked rice. So each time when I grind, I will be adding all these ingredients. Last I will be adding 1 pinch of salt. That I will not add now. I will add it last. You can use the coconut water. You can put little sugar and keep the coconut water for 7 to 8 hours and grind with that water. Now we will keep this for fermenting. The timings for fermenting differs from place to place. If it is very cold, then it takes a longer time to ferment. Here now the temperature is quite cool, so it may take a longer time. The batter comes up, then you come to know that it has fermented. And the difference between appam and Vattappam is Vattappam is steamed in a idli cooker, whereas appam is made in a appam chatti. So after this is fermented, I will show you all how it is cooked. Now the batter is fermented. See, You can see it fermented. Now the batter is fermented. It's nearly 12 hours, and I have taken little cardamom and sugar, and I have powdered it nicely, which I will be adding into the batter. I will stir this nicely. Now I have kept an idli maker on the gas. I have put little water, and now I will put the batter in a plate. See, I have put little batter in a plate. I'll put some raisins on the top. Actually, we should put black raisins. I got the yellow one. And I will put little cashew nuts and badam. And I will keep this in the idli maker. And close the lid. I'll wait for 15 minutes till the vattapam is done. Now 15 minutes are over. I can see the vapors coming out. I'll off the gas, and now I will open. See, it's yummy. I'll have to wait for this to cool so that I can cut and show you all. See, it looks yummy. Now I will wait for this to cool, and then I will cut and show you. Now our vattapam is ready. I will cut it and show you all. Now see, we have got soft and very tasty vattapam. Now you all saw how I made it. Now I have my granddaughter Melinda with me. You will taste and tell that how it was. You taste and see.
Wow, this is really good, Mama.
Yeah? So do make it at home. Try this recipe at home, and don't forget to write your valuable comments. And if you are watching my video for the first time,
Like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of whatever videos I will be uploading.
You can see that I don't have anything in my hands, but I will soon show you what I'm going to review. It's my grandmother's vattapam. It is basically a Christmas tradition in Kerala, and it is a dish. It is very special and very tasty, and especially my grandmother's vattapam. My grandmother also has a channel, and its name is Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. I hope you are subscribed and liked at that very channel. Now, I think that I should do a taste test. Wow, it is really good. You know, this should be actually made in the restaurant. It is high quality than restaurants. It is really healthy and it has even raisins. It is really tasty.
Uploading. Now thanks for watching my video. A happy new year to all of you. Thank you.